Hi, I'm Perfecto Martinez, Technical Marketing Manager at Aero Electronics, and I'm here with Analog Devices to show a proof of concept baby monitor using ADI's time-of-flight technology. For this demonstration, we have ADI's time-of-flight technology camera at the head of the monitor. We've got a breathing baby underneath, and then we have a mobile device that's running the end user application. As the baby breathes, the time-of-flight monitor is streaming a live data stream that runs through our custom filter and enhancement algorithm that allows us to measure the baby's movement of the chest as well as calculate the breathing rate. That information is then passed to the mobile device, which is refreshed with the baby's breathing rate real time. Additionally, the time-of-flight solution allows us to detect if the baby has turned over, which we can see on the screen here. All of this is made possible using ADI's time-of-flight solution. This was done through a collaboration between Analog Devices, Aero Electronics, the Chinese University of Hong Kong, as well as the target customer. While this is a proof of concept, this does show the feasibility for the technology and use in this application. It also provides the key building blocks that are required to create edge devices to create advanced health monitoring solutions. For more information, please visit aero.com or go to analog.com.